MB Sugars and Pharmaceuticals has today become a leading manufacturer of different varieties of sugar. Established in 1997, the company is a family-owned business and is now led by the younger generation of the family, who with its hard work and hunger is striving to succeed.
मेरे दादाजी ने ये बिजनेस चालू किया, उसके बाद में पिताजी आए, पिताजी को मेरे चाचा जी ने साथ दी। अब हम थर्ड जनरेशन है। अब हम यही चाहेंगे कि हमारा बिजनेस दिन ब दिन बढ़ता जाए, दिन दुना और रात चौगुना होता जाए, और यही हमारी भी कामना है।
The company manufactures a wide range of double refined sugar from normal sugar available in the market under the brand name MB Sugars. This includes lump sugar, brown sugar cubes, fondant icing sugar and others. They make sure the products are made in the most hygienic and clean environment so that consumers enjoy good quality sugar.
हम लोगों का एक पंच लाइन है, anything and everything in sugar, और इस पंच लाइन को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम लोगों ने हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट्स डिजाइन किए थे जो कि शुगर इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है। शुगर क्यूब्स, शुगर सैचेट्स और कैस्टर शुगर, डेमेरारा शुगर, लाइट ब्राउन शुगर, आइसिंग शुगर, ये सब हमारे बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स हैं।
The company has a factory spread over more than 20,000 square feet with a unique stainless steel plant and the latest machinery to manufacture the best possible quality of sugar. Stringent quality checks are carried out right from the purchase of raw materials to the last step of the sugar manufacturing process.
In MB, quality is our motto, and to attain this, we make sure that starting from our raw material, everything is analyzed, and at every stage of production, special care and precaution is taken so that we get the product of pure and fine quality.
MB Sugars have a modern and well-equipped quality control laboratory which ensures that products are pure and safe for consumption. All the sugar that is manufactured at MB is released for sale only after thorough analysis. And all the analysis is done as per stringent specifications, methods and procedures that have been developed according to international guidelines.
MB Sugars में बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की शुगर बनाने के लिए अच्छा फिल्ट्रेशन का इस्तेमाल हम लोग करते हैं। उसके बाद अच्छी क्वालिटी बनाने के लिए मिनिमम लेवल का SO2 रखते हैं। उसके बाद हाइजीन कंडीशंस, लोवेस्ट माइक्रोबायोलॉजिकल लिमिट हम लोग अचीव करके गुड क्वालिटी की शुगर बनाते हैं।
The company's timely delivery and commitment to provide the best quality has earned it a huge client base across India as well as in overseas markets. The company mostly supplies its products to the hospitality industry, which has a heavy consumption of sugar cubes and other sugar products.
हमारे मेजर क्लाइंट्स हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री से है। मैरियट ग्रुप हुआ, वेस्टिन ग्रुप है, गोदरेज ग्रुप है, उसके बाद में क्लब महिंद्रा है, आपके इन्फोसिस है, ये सभी हमारे मेजर क्लाइंट्स में आते हैं।
MB Sugars believes that the company's success is a result of well-planned teamwork, right from the top level of management to the lowest rung of workers in the organization. The company also gives due credit to its customers who have played a key role in its journey to success and made it achieve an impressive turnover of over 55 crore rupees in the last financial year.
It's not a one-man show, it's a team effort, and I would like to contribute this to our team, MB workforce, starting from my granddad to all the employees and everyone.
With increasing demand of agro-based products in domestic as well as in international markets, companies like MB Sugars are not just contributing to the country's economy, but are also creating more employment opportunities for India's rural sector.